Hello all. Let's discuss about the Red Hat certification, that is also called Linux certification. So there are many module of Linux. If you want to start and continue your career with Red Hat certification, Linux certification, so we have to start from RSCSA, which is also called Red Hat Certified System Administrator. After RSCSA, there will be RSCE exam. So in RSCSA, first two books need to cover, and in RSCE there will be only one book. And once you will be able to clear this RSCSA and RSCE, then you can plan for the next level of the certification, that is architect level of the certification, otherwise OpenStack, and there is a certification of developer and many more of the Red Hat virtualization storage. You can plan cloud, you can plan OpenStack. So there are many certification. But as a fresher, if you have RSCSA and RSCE, that is much more sufficient for the job, because you can work on behalf of the Linux administrator, network administrator, also you can say server administrator, security administrator. So there are many job opening on behalf of the Linux. You can apply for anywhere, and if you have some experience in India, then after you can plan for the abroad also. So first of all, RSCSA, also called EX200. So EX200, there will be two different books of the Red, and there will be only one system, one virtual system. On behalf of that system, we have to crack the exam. And after RSCSA, you can plan for RSCE exam. On that case, there will be Red Hat 7 and Red Hat 8. Now we must have the plan to give the exam on Red Hat 8. So this is the small idea about the Red Hat certification exam, as well as the job opening in Delhi and NCR and other part of the country and abroad also. So hope so this information will help you. Yeah. Thank you, and all the best for your career.